Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is prehistoric rock cut footprints. Recently, 24 pairs of prehistoric footprints and a human figure carved in rock have been discovered at Kanirapoil in Madikai Panchayat, Kasaragod, Kerala. Believed to date back to the megalithic period, the carvings provide a glimpse into ancient cultural practices.
Now, before moving on to next slide, we have an announcement for you. Drishti IAS Mukherjee Nagar classes are now in Noida, Sector 15. Not Mukherjee Nagar. Noida is the new UPSC hub. Mukherjee Nagar nahi, chale Noida. Our address is C171/2, Block A, Sector 15, Noida, UP. Near Noida Sector 15 Metro Station. For location, click on the link provided in the description. For more information, call us at 9311 406 440. If you would like our counselors to call you back, please fill out the form provided in the description.
Now moving on to key details of the discovery. Carvings and tools. Footprints vary from 6 to 10 inches, suggesting representations of children and adults. Carved using iron tools, the footprints point westward, symbolizing souls of the deceased according to archaeologists. Human figure. A human figure is intricately etched alongside 4 circular pits, enhancing its symbolic significance. Similar finds. Aligns with prehistoric rock art in Avalakipeda, Karnataka, and other sites in North Kerala like the Edakal Caves in Wayanad. Now let's discuss about the significance of the discovery. Cultural insights. Reflects funerary practices and artistic expressions of the megalithic period. Reveals a shared heritage in the prehistoric Kerala and Karnataka. Historical context. Estimated to be over 2000 years old, shedding light on the lives of early inhabitants of Madikai Gram Panchayat. Further exploration encourages more archaeological research into Kasaragod's ancient past, which holds historical and cultural significance. Now is the time for practice question. What do the footprints carved into the rock symbolize according to experts? Deities, souls of the deceased, mythical creatures, or hunting rituals? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.